Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell events ticket in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account, and for here, we need an app, so go to apps on the left panel, then select app and sales channel settings. Once in, go to Shopify App Store on the top right, then on the search bar, search for event tickets. Here, you will see different apps that you can use. But for here, I'm gonna use this eBay event tickets. Now, just go ahead and install the app. Install it again to confirm. Now that you have it, you can now start on creating your first event. So go ahead and create one. For here, you can add in an event name, then also the event date, whether it's one time, recurring, or if you don't have a date yet. So just choose one. After that, add in a start time and an end time. For the location, you can type in a location for your venue. You can also add in a URL of it, like Google Maps. After that, make sure that it is visible on your store. Now, add in a price for that ticket and also add in an inventory. Once done, just go ahead and click on Save Event at the bottom. And there you have it. You now have your events ticket. So when you go to your product section on the left panel, you will see that your event ticket is added. You can go ahead and preview it to your online store. And there you have it. And that's it. That's how you sell an event ticket in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.